Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C:" and hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command. bcd edit space /export space C:/bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space C:/boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space C:/boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.